how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. So if you want to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. The YouTube allows users to manage up to 50 YouTube accounts under one Google account or one email address. So log into your YouTube with the Gmail account you want to use to manage your YouTube channel. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the top right, which has that profile. And from the profile, you need to go with YouTube Studio. From your YouTube Studio, you need to go with settings, which is on the bottom left. Under settings, you will have channel. Under channel, you will have advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you need to scroll down and you will have manage your YouTube account. You need to click on it and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you will have an option of add or manage channels. You need to go with add channel. And I've already added a few channels right here. So you need to go with create a channel if you don't have a channel. And then you need to go and verify. You need to go with one-time verification. So go with verify. Once you verify, you'll be able to create as many channels as you like on your YouTube. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.